guys, hey, Kim Flores. How you doing today? I'm gonna wait a little bit, see who shows up. If you're just checking in, let me know where you're coming from. That would be great. Give everybody a few minutes. Yeah, it's one of the tools that I use a lot, and I thought maybe that would be a good idea, something to share with y'all. Keep it to myself. Hog it. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, just drop a comment. Let me know where you're coming from. Nice, very cool, very cool. Okay, give everybody maybe about 30 more seconds. Hey, welcome, welcome. Can you hear me all right? Hey, 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 Lola or Rush, or is it both of you guys? Hmm? I just wondering. I got a fan blowing. I'm hoping it's not altering the audio any. All right, guys. Hey, what I wanted to share today was, oh, okay, guys. Hey, alrighty. What I wanted to share today was, if you come across some kind of quote or whatever, and you wish that you could maybe make like a graphic or something that would work for maybe making a Facebook post or some kind of other post. Um, I got a couple of tools that I use, and I thought maybe somebody else might benefit from it. So I'm going to dive right in because I know it's probably dinner time about where you're at. So, first thing I want to do is what I usually do is I go to my memories. Usually, I'll go to my memories, which are on your timeline here, and you come down here where it says memories. And I did one today, but I'm not going to do it again. But for instance, I'm going to pull up one from. All right, here we go. Uh, it's one from Helen Keller. This one that I use is called Stencil, and it's a Chrome extension. So if you go to extensions, let me see if I can. You know what? I'm not sharing my screen, am I? So let me see if I can go back and share my screen with you guys. Hey guys, hey. Yeah, it's sharing. Okay, all right. So I guess maybe you guys seeing my screen or you seeing my face? Just curious. This app I'm using is really kind of confusing. Okay, I'm back. There we go. I got the screen share to happen. So hopefully you guys can still hear me and see me. This is part two. I might just stitch the two together and make one video for later. So here's what I usually use is it's a Chrome extension. So if you were to go to let's see, extensions. I think it's the Play Store. Anyway, if you go to Chrome Web Store extensions, what I normally do is use a thing called Stencil. Spell it right. There you go. Stencil. I can't even spell today. Goodness gracious. All right, there we go. Extensions. Let's look at that. Yep, there we go. Stencil. This is the one that I use most of the time. And let me show you how that actually works because it's really cool. For instance, if I take a memory like I was mentioning, all I have to do is see it's right here. See, um, I'll highlight, for instance, I'll highlight this and I'll hit right click and let's see here, create image with stencil right here. Okay, and the extension takes what I copied and brings it into the stencil site or app, if you will, if you know, as far as the extension is going. Because I'm on this video right now, it's taking a little longer to set up, so please bear with it. Bear with me here. Come on, get that little swirl in there going faster. Any other time this would have been done already. I'm sorry, guys, for the delay. I've got a fan blowing on me, and I'm hoping it's not affecting the sound. Let me turn that off, so because it probably is. I can't see your comments at the moment. Still working. Oh. The Wi-Fi here isn't very strong. I apologize. It used to be, so I don't know what's going on. People streaming stuff, I guess. Let me go back and see if I can get it to refresh. All right, scroll back down to that one. There we go. So if I highlight that, right click, create image with stencil, see if it helps it any. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. See, now what it does is, see, it actually took everything and pasted it right here. So I have it set to a Facebook link post. And what I could do over here is find an image. Um, let's see, if I typed in adventure, like is in the quote, let's see what happens. There we go. So, so if I take this and click it, what it does is it puts that as the background. See, isn't that cool? And I'll just double click on that. I can check off what kind of font that I want. You know, something simple. I'm gonna move that up there. I can actually also change the color of it. Let's see. We got greens and yellows in here, a little bit of blue. So what happens if we bring down some of the green? A little bit of the green. So if I can do that as the main color and the outline color of the text. What if I did yellow? Ooh, that's cool too. Or I can, oops, hello, come on, give me it back. Okay, thank you. You take these little round things and move them a little bit, and then bring this over here, bring it back. The text size, I can actually do this too. If I wanted to do a drop shadow, which I do a lot, you know, it kind of makes it stand out a little bit better. And you see how that kind of pops off the page? This little hyphen, let's do that. I like that. So, come on. There we go. I'm going to move this like that. They have different sizes here. Like I said, I do a Facebook post here They have a Facebook photo. I can do that too. And what it does is it formats it to that. Or say you're doing Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram. They have all these. I kind of like that. So I am going to save that. Uh-oh. There we go. All right. Took it a second. Okay, it saved it. So what I want to do now is download it. I'm going to call it, let's see here, Adventure Helen Keller. I've got a folder called Creatives where I save all my goodies that I've made like this. Okay, and then I can just I can do preview and share too, but sometimes that puts the actual link in there. So then I can go back to, for instance, my my profile or wherever I want to post, right? And I will take this graphic and just pop it right in there. Okay, that's not gonna do it. All right, give me that. That. Thank you. There we go. I'm going to share that to my story as well. So, and just hit share. All right, now that is with come on, kiddo. Okay, it must be because I'm I'm also sharing the screen with you guys. So anyway, that would populate onto my profile. So there's another one that I actually use is Canva. Canva is making something that's raw for me. Um, each one of these has a free option, but I've gone ahead and upgraded mine. So what you see when you get yours, if you get an account, you know, it's a little bit different. So, but what's neat about Canva is you can set your own colors and fonts and what have you. See, these are basically my fonts that I use, although I can change them anytime. And these are my colors. I can change those at any time too. So, but if I wanted to create a design, I come up here and let me see. If I wanted to make, for instance, another design here. I mean, it's kind of the same, but I kind of like how Stencil will take the highlighted text that you have wherever you're at and make a graphic out of that. Whereas here you have to kind of just go by the seat of your pants, right? Uploads, you can upload your own images. Um, you can use those as something, as the background for something, and then put the text on it. Um, but that's how Canva works. Let me see if I can make something for you. Real quick, real quick. You do that. You click on that. See, let's see. I'm trying to think. Let's see. Are you? This. Of course, the templates. Now the templates. Okay, they have things that you. These are all editable. You can edit any of these. You can, you know, load those up to your easel, as I would call it, or your scratch pad over here. But I'm going to go ahead and put some kind of text here. See how it comes up with my fonts right here, pretty much. But I can, like I said, I can choose anything. If I do that, it puts this right here. Come on there, kiddo. I wanted to do that. Let's move you up here. Say, for instance, I'll make something in all the ocean. You are the one. or something like that. You know, I mean, it's basically the same. I can take that and change the color as well. I think it should be a lighter, maybe a lighter color. See, these are my brand colors here. I can use that to, if I did that, what happens there? Let's see. No, that's too light. Yep. I'm going to do a different color. Let's do something darker. We did the red. I don't know if that's going to work on this blue. Yeah, something like that. But permanent marker. See, I can choose anything if I wanted to, bold it and what have you. Um, but anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a quick overview of these kind of things here for you. This might help somebody, and you're trying to figure out how to